What's up guys, it's Ron from Rohde Law, and in this video we're going to show you how to file a 2024 reporting obligation for the state of Texas. If you have an LLC, a corp, a limited partnership, there are new changes for 2024, okay? The legislature in 2023 passed Senate Bill 3, which changed the obligations. If you follow this channel or if you've had a business for a few years, you historically have been required to file two separate online reports. One of them is a franchise tax form and the other is a public information, a PIR report. Now in 2024, there's going to be a completely different requirement. The no tax due threshold is $2.47 million. So if your company or your group of companies grossed top line revenue below 2.4 million, you don't owe any tax and you don't have to file a franchise tax return swearing no tax due. I think this is going to be a great change. All you have to file now is a PIR. Watch this and I'm going to take you through my web file and we're going to walk through an actual filing of the new requirements. All right, so you can see here, I'm on the comptroller website. If you just go to comptroller.texas.gov, you're gonna see the taxes. You're gonna need a web file systems login. We have my personal here. So let's go ahead and pick one of my multiple entities. You know, I'm a real estate investor. I have industrial property, truck parking. So I have a lot of LLCs. So we're gonna do file a PIR because this is the only thing that you have to file in 2024 if you're below those gross tax receipts. So hit continue, annual. These are due on May 15, folks. You need to get it out there. I do actually update my mailing address, so that's an easy one. Everything else is the same. I think I will go ahead and change this one. Declaration statement. It's important that this information is accurate. So we're going to just check this PIR. This is an annual obligation. Update the mailing address. Looks good. We're going to hit submit. You have filed successfully 2024 PIR. This particular entity, I think it only grossed about $100,000. So it's under that threshold and no problem. We can file for another taxpayer. Anything in the past. And here you can see this, beginning with reports due in 2024, taxable entities less than 2.47 million don't have to file no tax due. However, if you are trying to reinstate an entity or if you have past franchise tax returns that were due in 2023 you didn't file, you still may need to do this. So you need to do a file a no tax due. Let's see if it lets me. I don't have an obligation for the prior year, so it's not going to let me do that. And once you finish that, you should get a nice email if you've correctly entered your email from the comptroller confirming your account. So it says email sent to you, update. So it's a nice little confirmation that you filed correctly if you didn't save the submitted report. But if you do have questions, I'll link my other video where I walk through the old franchise tax obligation. But this is going to be great. If you guys have any questions about filing your PIRs or annual compliance for your Texas LLC, contact the law firm. We are doing BOI, CTA compliance, as well as reinstatements to terminate an old entity. We can do that all for you for a flat fee. So that's it. Quick video. Smash that like button if you're still there. And we'll see you next time.